the main way that you will receive new study materials, course materials, such as study guides, homeworks, assignments, how you will do your work in this course, and how you will submit your work in this course will be through an R project. In this video, I will show you how to create an R project and link it with a repository from which you can receive material and submit your material. If you haven't done so already, launch an RStudio session so that you are in the RStudio interface on Talon. Note, on the top right, under your username, which is your first name dot last name, it will show project is none. And that's because we don't yet have a project and we are going to create one now. Click File, then choose New Project. In the window, the New Project wizard that opens, under Create Project, choose Version Control. Check out a project from a version control repository. And on the next screen, which is Create Project from Version Control, you have two options, Git or Subversion. You will choose Git. And there are three fields: the repository URL, the project directory name, and create project as a subdirectory of. In the first field, which is the repository URL, you will enter the URL file : 3// home / group dirs systems biology course materials / first name dot last name dot git. This URL, you don't have to type it out by hand. It has been provided in the study guide, so you can just copy paste it from there, but replace first name with your first name and the last name with your last name. So in my case, I have entered manu.manu.git, and the next field, the project directory name, has been automatically populated as first name dot last name or manu.manu in my case. If it doesn't get automatically populated, you can enter first name dot last name, your first name and your last name by hand. And we will leave the third field, create project as subdirectory of, as the default, which is tilde. And now you go ahead and click create project. And a number of things will happen and your project will get created. And the main change that you will observe is on the top right corner, under the username where it said project none before, now it says first name dot last name, which is the location of the project directory. And in the tab on the bottom right, which says files, you will see the directory has changed and you are now in the project directory, which is first name dot last name.